Welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Welcome once again to our YouTube channel. If you have not followed us, try and follow us. Try and subscribe to our channel. Follow for more tips like this. Okay? So from the last video we did, we had our design, the curtain wall, and all this extension. We have done this curtain wall. We have done the upper roof curtain as well. Maybe some material found in both the wall. So want to place a rail here, but want to use a glass to do it. You need to do glass here, on this place too. How do I achieve it? First of all, let's see railing, how it looks like. Let's do railing. Let's do railing. Okay. Railing. Let me do railing here. This way. Okay. Finish this railing. Wow, we did it at the lower floor. For this, let's delete. Let's go to level 2 to do that. Sorry, this is railing. I want to show you ways of achieving railing. Okay, finish. The same design, same setting we did in our railing when we're doing stair risers. Same stair risers. So now I want to place a railing here, a glass railing here, but this place is a cut. To have a glass railing here. Okay, I want to have a glass railing here. So therefore, let's do this. Let me change a rail. I want to remove all the baluster and leave the top handle. Okay, let's do this first. Let's do this first. Pick it from here. This is how to do glass railing. I'm going to use masking to do this. But first of all, I want to show you how it's being done. I want to combine masking and I want to combine masking components. Okay, let's see what is happening on 3D. I want to combine masking components and railing components together to achieve this. First, this can be, you can change, we'll have I have a setting here to change this into a rail. This is a rail, glass. This is not a glass I wanted. It's not a glass I wanted. But I have a setting here. Highlight, change this into this. Some open space, open a void area. I'm going to replace it with glass. Sorry, the top handle will be there. When you edit, okay, let me show you how it's been done. Let's go back from the normal railing. This is normal railing that we have. Okay. When you highlight, edit, go in here. Let me just do edit. I don't want to change everything. Let me do duplicate that material into 4. This is it. So okay. Therefore, I've duplicated this material into 4. Then this. At first, let me go back a bit. Okay. At first, this material is the top rail, which we wanted. Don't need it. So okay. This is the baluster which we are moving to replace. Therefore, the baluster, this is the edge baluster. This is the unit baluster. These middle balusters, can remove them and say none. Okay. Now have only the edge balusters. Okay, we have middle baluster here too. If we don't want this middle baluster, say want to place just the 2 end. Okay, can do this also. Can do this also. We don't want the middle baluster. From here, can say none. The middle, say middle. Okay, say none. Okay, it has gone off. I think, but because of this design, it's like we're going to, okay, let's leave it this way. So let's go by applying from here. Let's place a massing. Like I taught us the last time, can change a particular massing. So let's do this. We're not using massing, create massing this time. We're not using this create massing. No. Going to create. Like I said, we can use in massing, we can build anything, can build whatever we felt like the building, can build a house, a castle, anything, name it, anything, pick up the design and place it. Now, example of such we're going to do now is this. Pick up any, let me say dot accessory. Okay. Dot accessory. Think solid swept. I think I've set that as dot accessory already. I'll show you how it's being set. Therefore, let's see what is glass. Okay, let me pick it. This is our frame. This is our frame, and the frame is around 50 millimeter. So okay, finish parts. This is, oh, I've already zoomed it already. It should have taken me to an area. Okay, it's still doing the same. This is the south view. It should be taking me, if I'm going this towards the left side, I'm going towards the west. If I'm going towards the right side, I'm going towards the east. So let me use the west for the design. Okay, use the west for the design. Look at what we're looking at. Escape. I need to hold on the edge. Good. And it should be going outside. Okay. This is the frame. Even if there's no frame showing, even if there's no frame showing, you can take it and place a measurement to it. Escape. What's the dimension here? 20. It's okay. You can still shift this a bit and this a bit. Highlight, double click and shift so that it can go in properly. Finish. finish. So let's see what we've done. This is it. This material has been set on 3D on the finishing already. Let me show you how it's been set. When you highlight, should in case it's not set, when you highlight, okay, let me use another material. Let me use another material. Probably. Let me use another material somewhere. So this is a glass. Let me show you how it's been set though. Highlight, right click, vision, view property. Okay. Edit, open. Now I picked accessory. This is accessory. This is it. At the material. Okay, let me change this material so I understand what I'm saying. Let me change the material to bricks. Fix this. Okay. 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 What the material now has changed. It's no more glass. This is no more glass. It's not a wall. Okay. So based on that, let me highlight. Take it back. How it's been set. Probably it comes up as a blank wall. You highlight. You right click. You view property. Edit. Visibility. Okay. Object style. This is what we're talking about here. This is the third accessory which we picked. Then we'll go to glass, default glass. This is glass. Okay. Clear glass. This is default glass. This is glass. We can still pick this also. We can still pick this. We can still pick this also. So, but let's use this glass for every. Let me just use this and change. Change into this. Change into this. So you can always change to anything you want. Okay. This is bronze. Dark bronze. Okay. Selection. Sets. Okay. Okay. Synchronizing to set the properties. Okay. 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 Look at it. Like I said initially, look at it. So now this particular material now is quite different from this glass now. You can make it darker, you can make it lighter. We pleases. Therefore, you can also change this to same. You can change this to same. Okay. You can change it to same. This use this. Okay. Therefore, picking up this material, you can pick the material. Let's see if we can see the material in 3D in floor. Cannot see the material in floor. So let's do what we did before. Create massing, create. Okay. Let's still use our dots. Okay. Which we've already set already. Second of it. Solid form, solid swept, sketch. sketch. Okay. Escape the tools. Escape the tools. I want to take it inside a bit. Then take this inside a bit. Okay. So finish parts. It's gonna take me east. Before I went west, now let's go east. So I can understand that you can always do it at any place we did it. So now I'm going to go this way. Let me just do it like this so I understand what I'm doing. Okay. Now for pick this. Let's pick the measurement we want. Want it to be, let's say 20. For the height we want it to be 880. Okay, but this is at 900 already. Then finish. Let's see. Look at it. Design is already there for us. We've achieved that. This is how to do glass walling. Let's do this again. See, have two. I'm going to place flower pot here. Here, we're going to have glass wall too. Okay, let's do that at 2D, level 2. Follow us for more video tips like this. Like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips like this. Okay. Okay. I want to move it closer so the last edge frame can show. I have a last edge frame. Let it show. I'll show you the last edge frame. Finish. Let me show you what the last edge frame is like. Let me highlight, change it to 4 or 3. Look at the last edge frame, baluster. It was set to show. Let's assume it's holding the wall. Okay, it's holding the wall. You can decide to place at the middle too. Decide to place at the middle here also. You can decide to place here too. Right. Probably let's do that. Just do that here. This place. We are using square of this. Square. Okay. We've changed all. Except 3. 3 doesn't have. Change all pattern. This now have it. This now have it. This equally have it. Hence, we used 4. Look at it. They all have it now at the edge. So let's leave it that way. So for let's go here, do this quickly. We're going to have a pattern here. Let's use massing, create. Already we are using dot accessory. If you use any other thing, you have to set again can still use any name to achieve it. Okay, so okay, the third accessory I'm making use of: solid form, solid swept, sketch. I'm picking the rail, which I place the top. Okay, escape to move tools. I want to shift it inside a bit, notch. Okay, that means this from here. Let's finish parts. From here, the is facing north, so we want to stay towards east to do this. Escape, it's telling us to go either east or west. Let's go towards east to do this. Okay. Okay, I think we've achieved it. Escape tools. This is 20. So finish. That's the thickness of the glass that we're using. I use the masking to form anything we want to form. Okay, this is it. Okay. Okay. Here we'll have the third one here. You can decide to leave it as rail. You can decide to use glass for it. Okay, let's still use glass so it to be uniform. Okay. This area, let's use rail. Combining railing, same time with glass, just kind of building it. The rail is the profile, which is the aluminium used for the framing. Okay, finish. Therefore, so if no use zooming it, we've already known what we have. So let's pick up modeling, create. So we have already set this. Our dot accessories, I've set it already. The fourth we're doing. Solid form, solid swept, sketch. I'm not picking in a form. Those that the few that we in our class when we started with massing. On window design. Finish parts. At this point now it is it's towards the left side, which is at our western section. So we can design this using the south or north pole. Predict. Can use south or north pole. Let's use north pole. I will not change this rail. Don't worry. Not a problem. Not a problem. Finish. 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 Family. Let's see what we've got. We have a beautiful combination here. have a combination of railing and glass wall. That is good. That is good. It's nice. If you want to have it this way, you're free. But meanwhile, we have our design already here. Change it. Have this. This is how to form a baluster glass wall. Okay. This is how we get our baluster. Look at the edges, profiles are there. Now, forge ahead. Forge ahead. Forge ahead. You want to have a design here. You can still be using massing for it. You want to have a design here. A little clipped design here. And the internal is going to come. From the internal is going to come. Let me use, yeah. I want to have a little clips here design on this area. Just here, due to this painting here, this demarcation here, that is not there. So have a design here. So it's not necessary, but just to have a clip of design. How do I now achieve it? How do I achieve it? So let me use this cutting wall, which we've been using before now. Let me use this cutting wall, which we've been using before now, to achieve it. Let me use this cutting wall. What this is missing, we'll be using. Okay, let's go to first floor, second floor, which is D2. This is where the design is. Let me check mason. Sorry, wall. Big mason. Masonry. I want to have it and measurements. Already before now we have 3. Okay, let's say I want to have it with 300. I want to drop with 100. With 100, so if you're dropping 100 from 300, we're gonna have 2,600. 2,600. Let me just do this quickly. Highlights. Go straight. I'm not seeing it. Highlights. Go straight and drop. I'm not seeing it. So therefore, escape the 2. Drop the 2s I'm holding. Go to 3D, which you're going to see. Okay. I said I've not been seeing it. Okay. Let's highlight this. Okay. Taking SS command. Okay. Let's go back. Let's see what is happening there. Let's see. Okay. So what's happening there. Like I told you before, when I started this modeling, this design, we're going to create things to go in on. Doesn't need to show off. Okay, this video is going lengthy already. Okay. Let's take it easy from here. Okay. This is what I want to achieve. Think I should even take it in to the internal wall. Let's leave it this way. Let me use cutting wall to do this, which is that. Let's take it in here. Okay, finish. So you can do design. Anything you want to achieve and design, you can achieve it. Therefore, you need to place seal in here, to seal here up. So I will not be seeing all this mess here already. Then place ceiling here. This is how to do your ceiling also. Before sealing, because I'm meant to sell everything at once, because one of those settings that are just meant for all. So let's put a design here. Have a design here. Let's put a white design here. This way. Let's change a massing. This time around, we're using okay. Let's cut at the edge surface at the corner of this wall. Let's put skirting at this corner. Skirting different dimension at this corner. Put the same thing at this corner. Maybe at this peak. Now place a peak here. Okay. Something that will make it look unique and different on the top, which is going to make it look different from regular design that have been seen. Meanwhile, this scoping, I'm going to increase this design of this scoping. Okay. Highlight, edit, highlight, edit, highlight. Let's not here. Let's see. Highlighting this, editing this. Let's go review. Let's increase this. Let's make it up to 450. Let's high it to 200. Finish. I think the whole of them has been changed. Have something nice this way. Finish massing. So therefore, let's see. It looks very good and beautiful. Okay. Let's place a cutting wall here. Let's place a cutting wall here. How do we do that? Let's go to level 3. Okay. Level 4. What's level 4 picking? Let's go to editing material or elevation. Level 4 is very far. Level 3 is here. Let's use level 3 and place it here. Probably, let me say simile. Well, no need. Let's go to level 3 and do our thing. Do this here and here. Let me say massing. Let's create massing this time. No, let's not create massing. Let's use this time around. What massing are we making use of? Let's use a darker massing. So let's use different massing material altogether. Here we use dots. Let's use dot fitting or dot. Can use anything, like I said. Let's call this column. Well, let's use it as column. A terminal. Anything we call it here, we can rename it to anything we want. Okay. Let me just use fitting, dot fitting, dot fitting. Okay. But this is the first dot fitting we're designing. I was saying solid form, solid soil. Okay. Doing this, I'm not seeing it properly. Let me just go out a bit. Place it. Place it this way. Let's finish parts. Finish. Edit. Taking me to the east or to the west. Let me go to the west and do my thing. Go to the west. A view from the west. Look at where it's viewing from. Okay. Making it just 4 inches. Okay. By 4 inches. By 4 inches. Okay. Finish. 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 Therefore, let's heighten it a bit. Edit. Select. Move out. And take it up. Take it up. Okay. Take it closer. That's where we want it. Okay, let me go to 3D. Let me finish this material. Finish. Okay, let's see if it's working properly. It's not working properly. Let's view again. Little. To this way. And here it's working. Okay, let's do this. What you have, how many I was supposed to have it there? Let's see. Let's have it 3. Let's see. Let's have it 3. Copy. Down. First of all, edit. Ctrl Z. Let's material. Build particle. Let's see. Make it a bit darker. Okay. object style. Wow, this is getting, video is taking long. Object style, went for this fitting. Okay, object style, let's go for the fitting. What are we supposed to pick? Let's say, let me take fabric. No, and take anything though. Gypsum board, no. Yeah. Anything can go. Messy stone, better. Let me load this. Can change anything for it. Just use something black, dark, for stone. Okay. Can also change to say want to use the fence wall. Can also change it from stone. Probably want to use paint. Want to use the paint. Can use any material I want to use. Let me use something, probably the paint. Use this paint. Then this is the paint. I'll now come here, make it darker, so you can do anything you want to do to it. Okay. Sorry. I've said before. Did not say that. Pick any wall, my choice. Pick this wall. Okay. Come in here, making it look darker. Saying okay to it. Okay to it. Okay. 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 Have something different. I think I should make this to be 150. Should make this to be 150. Thickness. Edit. Edit. So turning the wall somewhere here. This is edit. Making this width 150. 150. Finish. 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 I think it's more preferable this way. Therefore, let's take measurement. What is the dimension to use initially? Edit. 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 For this, we have 100, 1.2. Let's make it 1.2. 1.2. 1.200. Finish parts. Finish structs. Finish. Okay. Therefore, I think with 2 we're okay, we're good to go. With 2, we're good to go. Second, edit, copy, down. Okay. I like the boats. Pick it up a bit. I think we're good to go with this. Let's edit the spacing. Don't know if this command could work at this phase. It's not working here. But no problem. This edit, edit, edit. We go to the top. Edit. If the other one is 120, 120, 1.2. Let's make it 1 point plus 5,700. 1,700. 1,700. Let's view. Finish. 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 No. Finish. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is it. Design I was talking about. Okay, let's do this quickly. I like this. I like that. Copy the boots. Ship it to this edge. Go to the top. I'm going to see it here. Bring it out. Okay. Use R2. Rotate it. Okay. I'm having two of them. I don't need to design again. So therefore, let's do this. Just locked. Row. Venom. Venom. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow for more content like this, more useful content like this. This is our design. In our next video, we're going to continue with a straight one here and beautiful one around. Thank you. Thank you. And follow for more content like this.